Today I just want to share with you 5 words in Spanish. With that 5 words, I guess it's enough just for a quick short video, just 2 minutes. So the first one is hola. Hola. Hola, that stands for hi. Hola. Hola. Amigo. Next one, amigo. Amigo. That stands for friend. Friend. Hola. It's hi. Hi. The third one is gracias. Gracias. And I would leave this to get for you to guess the meaning of gracias. Alright? You do it. You say gracias when someone serve you, and you say politely gracias. So in that case, well, what do you think it would be? Gracias. It would mean thank you. The last one is casa. Casa. That's it. That is a house. House, and the bonus here is familia. The bonus here is familia. Familia. So familia, family. Casa, house. Let's make a big sentence with these 5. Let's put it in a context. Let me erase this with something. I have it on the back of my camera. So let's remember. I hope I guess you have already taken notes. The sentence is hola, amigo. Hola, amigo. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias por esta casa. Por esta casa. As you can see, hola, amigo, muchas gracias, this is a new word, por esta casa. So, let's leave these 3 new words for you. Remember, hola, hi, amigo, friend, gracias, thank you, casa, house. And if you can guess these 3 words, I will write it on the comments. And if you guess the meaning of the whole sentence, write the meaning of the whole sentence in Spanish and in English. And you find this video helpful, give me a like. Or if you love Spanish, subscribe to the channel, because there's a lot of videos coming up soon. And this will be the beginning of a following series. Thank you for watching this video.